Hey, what's up guys? I'm Lewis.
And I'm Aaron.
And thanks for joining us for the first episode of the DDKONG web series.
Now, without further ado, let's jump right in and start checking out that charging system for the DDKONG.
How's it going, everybody? It's Lou again, coming to you from DD Audio headquarters in Oklahoma City. As anybody knows who's done a large build, the first thing you want to start with is your power supply. And to do that, we reached out to our good friend Tom at Ohio Generators. Let's see what Tom recommended. We have not one, not two, but three 300 amp Ohio Generator Alternators, brackets, as well as supplied hardware, computerized test data for every alternator, all the included necessary installation hardware, as well as instruction, including pictures. So big thanks to Tom for feeding life into this monster, especially if you're going above and beyond the call and providing literally everything that we will need to power this monster. So thanks again to Tom, and we will get back to you with more footage of the actual install of all these parts. Looking started with 2 8-position initial lugs for front battery. Yeah, 6 total, 3 pairs of dual 1-aught lugs from the alternators, one for the positive, one for the ground, per alternator with 2 1-aught runs out. Sorry. Can you draw me a picture? Well, I didn't draw pictures. Including pictures. Each alternator will have 2 runs of positive, 2 runs negative out. 4 runs, got it. There. This thing probably hasn't been touched in 7 or 8 years. And so the 2 nuts here aren't backing off of one another. And as a result, the whole post is spinning, just loosening itself from inside the alternator there. Tighten it right back down. Anyway, stock unit out. Out with the old, and with the new. Copper sleeve here actually serves as the grounding point for this particular alternator. And change that up once these are off. Brackets. Okay, one nice alternator. Still not right. Still gotta get around the tensioner. That maintains a spectacularly high level of belt wrap per unit.
It's almost 180 degrees for each one.
I'm super pumped for that.
Fucking sweet belt wrap. So the more belt wrap you can get, the less chance there is to chirp because it has more contact surface on the spinning heads.
Okay, so we gotta tie, or I have to tie all the yellow wires and then all the blue ones loop back to the charge post. These will be ready to chargeify.
Yeah, that's all kind of awesome. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to follow the hashtag DDKONG.